What's up guys, B-Rob here, and today I'm going to review this GNC Pro Performance 100% whey protein powder. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm going to tell you a little bit about this GNC Pro Performance 100% whey protein powder. But before I do that, I just got a little disclaimer for you. So my review of this product is not my recommendation for you to go and buy this product. It's just me sharing my personal experience with it, so it's for your information only. But my recommendation is for you to strive to eat as natural and healthy as you possibly can. But if you decide to take supplements, please consult with your doctor and please read all the instructions on the labels on these babies. So now I have that out of the way. Here I have this GNC Pro Performance protein powder, and this powder right here actually has been really good. So what was I looking for when I went to buy this powder? I was actually looking for some protein that had some more flavors than what I already had. And so I picked up, when I got in there, I realized that they had a sale going on and it was like buy two, get one free. I'm like, well, cool, I was hoping to buy two anyways. So I ended up buying banana cream and I believe strawberry cream, and I got a vanilla cream for free, or vanilla for free. So anyways, walked out with 3 tubs of this stuff, and been using it in a lot of different ways. And actually next week I will show you my shake that I make with this. It's called Chunky Monkey, so make sure you stay tuned for that. So I'll show you that one next week. All right, so what attracted me to this? So it was the flavors, of course, and then the fact that it had a sale. So I definitely love the flavors. It was actually a hard choice because it had some really good looking flavors out there. And I'm not really new, so this wasn't my first time buying this. I actually had bought some of this years and years ago. But as you know from the different reviews that I've done, I've actually, used several different types of protein powder along the way. So anyways, so the sale plus the flavors made me want to buy this. And, of course, like I said, it was buy two, get one free. So I went with that. Where did I buy this? So I buy this at GNC, but I did some research before making this video to let you know that they also sell it on Amazon.com. So you can definitely go to GNC or Amazon. You can buy it online from either place. So I have a video here that I'm going to show you of me mixing the product. So at the time of me filming this video, I had already had my protein and my meals in. So, but check this video out of me mixing the product. Basically, it's here, me with my shaker cup, and me just putting a scoop of it in there, and it calls for about 6 fluid ounces of water, of cold water, milk, or your favorite beverage. And so I just did 1 scoop in there, and so the mixability of it is not that good, but I'll get to that here in a minute. Let me get to the 3 best qualities of what I experienced with this product. So number 1 is the flavor is a good flavor, and so it's definitely been a joy. It's flavored in a way to where you can actually mix it in with you can mix it in with oatmeal, you can mix it in with just different other types of things, right? And if you could think of, you can get cream from a banana, that's exactly what this tastes like. Or if you mix cream with strawberries, that's what the strawberry cream tastes like. I mean, it's pretty good, right? And so it's that. And then let me just show you the profile here of basically, so nutrition supplemental facts there. So see that? So basically, per serving is 130 calories, 2 grams of fat, 80 milligrams of cholesterol, 1 gram of saturated fat, 5 carbs in it, 2 sugars, 24 grams of protein per serving, 130 milligrams of calcium, 70 milligrams of sodium, right there, and then potassium is 200 milligrams, and that's in 1 scoop. And they do say on here you can consume. They recommend you consume 1 to 2 scoops a day, 1 to 2 servings a day. Serving is a scoop, 25 scoops in here. All right. So first, good quality is that it does have good flavor. Second is that it's pretty diverse. So you can mix this thing in your shaker cup, as you saw what I did. You can also mix it in like oatmeal or yogurt. I used to mix this with Greek yogurt and just stir it up in there, and you get just it's kind of like a pudding almost, or something like that. So it's really flavored to really be able to be used in that. So it's not overly sweet. So it's good there. Also smoothies. And again, you'll see the shake that I make with it. It's called Chunky Monkey. That video has already been filmed, and so you'll see that next week. So hopefully you'll like that as a quick tip. And number 3, this is one of the cleaner protein powders that you can get, especially in that category. So the ingredients are 100% whey protein blend. It's got natural and artificial flavors, whatever that means, right? Then it has banana powder, cellulose gum, soy lecithin. Let me tell you something about that. So a lot of people will see that and say, well, it has soy protein in it too. That's not what that is. So soy lecithin is actually something that they put in here to help preserve the flavor of this, right? So it's like a flavor preserver. It may have some other functions too, but that's mainly what I know it to be. So, and it does say here, caution, contains milk and soybeans. Doesn't have soy protein powder, so it doesn't mean that it has that. It just means that soy lecithin is derived from soybeans. So if you are a person that is highly allergic to milk because whey is from milk, right, or soybeans, then this product will be an issue for you because it's made from whey, and then the soy lecithin is derived from soybeans, but it's not soy protein powder. So I just want to make that clear for you right there. All right. So those are the 3. So it is fairly clean for a product of like this. All right. What are my 3 downsides? So here's another one of those products where honestly I could not find 3 downsides. But my one downside that I found is mixing is troublesome. So trying to mix it in a shaker cup, it's clumpy. It doesn't really like to work with you on that. So that's a downside from it, but it's one that you can work with. How did it impact my workout? Again, this is a new one that I put in because I heard some comments from you guys want to know how different supplements affect my workout. So this one doesn't have that, it's not like a pre-workout where you take it and you're just going to feel something in the gym. Not necessarily. If you're one that your nutrition hasn't been up and you start taking this and now your nutrition is good and you may have a better workout, it could affect you that way, right? But this right here is protein powder, which helps with muscle building, which means that when you go to the gym, your muscles should, with the balanced nutrition, your muscles should perform as the way that they should perform. So that's how it supports you in the gym. How do I rate this product from a scale of 1 to 10? And let me go back to that last one. First of all, how did it impact my personal workout? So my workout, so check this out. So your workout is basically, if you're deficient in like 3 areas, then you could be overtraining. So either your workout is you're working out way too much, or your sleep is off, or your nutrition is off. So if any of those are off, then you can be in overtraining. And with nutrition, I also include hydration, right? So hydration is part of nutrition. So if you're dehydrated, you're not eating enough, but you do the same workout as you normally do, you could be overtraining. Or you don't sleep enough and you still do the same workout you usually do, you could be overtraining. Or you do too much of a workout and you're not, you don't have the nutrition to support it, or it's just too much, you're overtraining, right? So let me just clear that up. So anyways, getting back to this, how do you rate a product from a scale of 1? How do I rate this from a scale of 1 to 10? I give it a 9. So I give it a 9. It's a good product. I like it. It's one that I will go back to over and over again. So I like it. It's a good one. So number 10, how can you use this product? So you can use this product to get in your necessary protein. So, and I appreciate all the questions that I get about things like this. And I do want you to know, I don't ever think that I think if you ask the question, I'm gonna answer it. I'm not gonna assume anything. But I do want to make sure that you guys know that this is a food supplement. So like if you are not getting chicken, or you're not getting your amino acids and your protein, you're not getting your fish and your protein, that comes in fish, your meats, or your vegetables that have proteins in them. So basically what happens is this is your protein supplementation for what you're not getting from a meal, right? This is what I use it for. So I may want to go with a shake instead of eating like chicken breast or something like that. Sometimes I just want to shake. Sometimes I just want to shake for breakfast, right? And instead of wanting to eat eggs, and I still can get my essential amino acids from this. This contains all 9 essential amino acids. So I get that when I drink this, right? Unfortunately, I get all the other stuff that they put in this. So that's why, like at the beginning, I say strive to eat as healthy as you can and natural as you can to get them naturally. But if you can't, if you're on the go, this is dry. You put this in your bag, and you have your water, and you have a cup, and you mix them together because you're on the go, and that's your meal. Then that's good. Doesn't really have enough carbs here for me, but for you it may work, right? So that's what these things are used for. Just want to go ahead and clear that up while I have you here. So hopefully this review helped you. If you have not went out and got, you need a workout journal and you have not gotten my workout journal, please go check that out. It's going to really help you out a lot. And I offer that here really cheap. So right now it's going for $11.01. Why I just have that 1 cent in there just to make you say why. I don't know why it's in there, but $11.01 plus your shipping and tax, right? So you go order it, and it's a 12-week. But you know what? I have a video for it, and I'll go ahead and pop that video up wherever it's going to pop up at, so you can go check that out. But thank you for tuning in for this. Check out my podcast, Elevate to Great. Helps you out with everything, your mindset in life, and which helps you out in the gym and all other areas, and making sure you're on the health, your mindset is right to excel in health and everything else. So go check that out. Elevate to Great is the podcast. Also, you want to follow me on social media, please go out on Instagram. You can find me at thisisb_Rob. And you can also find me on Facebook, facebook.com/thisisbrob, all one word. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. This is B-Rob.